de okronkron na bosom yeto so 9 ni na kuye nim ena be ma kwa kuduya eso mpomponsuo afena mu iso akire maseman masenhim
I don't think Oyoko she doesn't have a job. The Satan has never contacted her. Or turning open an anime. Or telling people to take my pump on an anime. The life of an anime. No, but no, this is you can't go for me. And yes, come back. I'm not going to pass on mine. I'm not going to do more. Some of you go talk to me. No, maybe that's what. That's my son of prayer. And mistake. I'm going to work on my not good.